Let's now talk about the Epstein files that have triggered a political storm back home in the country, with the opposition now protesting and demanding NDA minister's resignation. All of this amid allegations that Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri maintained a contact with Jeffrey Epstein in the year 2014. Now, earlier, Rahul Gandhi raised these charges inside the parliament as well. Union Minister Hardeep Puri has refuted all of these allegations, stating that he met Epstein only as part of a delegation, as a diplomat 3 to 4 times, and as part of networking for the Silicon Valley.
After I retired as India's ambassador to the UN, a few months later, I was invited to join the International Peace Institute. I was Secretary General of something called the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terje Rod Larsen, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. In 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email which I exchange, which is because they have introduced me, that is, my contacts have introduced me to a man called Reid Hoffman. The Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offenses.
Let me take this across to my colleague Arun Dhanta, who is now with us on the broadcast. Arun, help us understand this and make an assessment better. Now that these demands by the opposition are only growing, demanding a resignation of the Union Minister, Mr. Puri, there is a claim that has come in from Hardeep Singh Puri on how he had only met on part of 2 occasions where he's doing his job, one as a diplomat and the other in the form of certain emails which were purely networking related. But the accountability charge that's coming in from the opposition, is the government looking cornered because of it, or it's just brickbats that we see playing at the end of this recess that the parliament has been, has gone into as far as this budget session goes?
Well, see, one thing is very clear, Griha, here, that opposition is stressing on this, that there needs to be a resignation of Hardeep Singh Puri. Even as we speak, there's a press conference of Pawan Khera, Congress leader, is going on, and he's also highlighting the same point, that why Hardeep Singh Puri is not being sacked since his name has got mentioned multiple times in the Epstein files. Now, the clarification, we heard what BJP leaders and, in fact, Ministry of External Affairs have been saying. They've completely trashed these emails of Epstein. But of course, Hardeep Singh Puri, who has come out and was defending himself, making it very clear that he was a private individual post 2013 when he got retired, and when he was actually associated with the International Peace Institute, and through there he met in a delegation to George Epstein. That's what he said, and in fact he also said that he was ambushed by his boss then there, who was the former Prime Minister of Australia, Rod Larsen, who in fact took him along with others to meet Jeffrey Epstein. That's when he said that he didn't know. He only told him to come to this location, and when he checked it on Google, then only he realized that he is going to meet him. And then Hardeep Puri says that he asked with his colleagues there, should we go there? Then said it's a delegation kind of a meeting, so there shouldn't be any problem. That's the first meeting about which Hardeep Singh Puri is talking about. But he also says that he had 3 or 4 instances when he met Epstein, but he did not really make any point about that, what transpired in other meetings. But right now what is happening, some new emails which is being put out by the opposition. They are saying that Hardeep Singh Puri was asking him for a coffee. He wanted to meet him, and these are the latest charges. So we haven't heard anything. The point which Hardeep Puri is making, that this is completely trash. He was only talking about Make in India, Digital India, and how India is growing. He was only talking about the India.